Hello guys, this is Al from Open Source Channel. Welcome again for a new episode. Today I'm going to talk about dropshipping. This is a topic that has been asked to me many times on how to build a website, an e-commerce website to do dropshipping. Now let me show you a quick way to do it, and this is quite quick. So without any delay, just let's dive in and I'm going to show you. Now this is a brand new copy of WordPress, and as you will see here, there are no posts and there are no pages. Right, so for this dropshipping we are going to use AliExpress. Again, you can use any company really, but today I'm going to talk a little bit about AliExpress. Now they're based in China. Most of the people who does drop shipping use them, so I'll presume they're pretty good. Now I don't do a lot of drop shipping, as you know. I'm mainly interested in open source software. So in this case, for the e-commerce website, I'm going to use the usual WordPress and WooCommerce. Now there is a way around it. If you don't want to use WooCommerce, you can use Shopify, and you can use Oberlo to import all the products that you need from AliExpress. Of course, there are free starter package, and you can go up to, I believe this is the top, $79.90. Otherwise, you can use the free plugin that I'm going to show you as well on WooCommerce. So without any delay, let's start and see how long it takes us to create a WooCommerce website. I'm going to close these tabs as we don't need them anymore. I'm going to leave AliExpress for now open. I'm going to close my YouTube page. Oh, by the way, thanks for the 3,028 subscribers, over 500,000 views. And now without delays, let's start. Now the first thing I'm going to do, go to Appearance, Themes or Templates. Now I already have downloaded the templates that I'm going to use, but just in case, you press Add New, search for Astra, and once you find it, download it and press Activate. Once you activate it, we go to plugins, add the new plugins, and I'm going to search for Astra again. And here we got some of the Astra from Brainstorm. But the one we actually need is called Astra Starter Sites. Right, it looks like it's not coming up. There we go, that's what we want. So you press on Install Now. I know it's this one here, already downloaded it. And once you finish downloading, just press Activate. Now, as you can see here, I got plenty of plugins already installed. Mainly they are not active, so I'm going to click on Active. So all you see here is Astra Sites plugin activated. You also need more plugins such as Elementor, but I'm going to show you a little bit later. Now what's going to happen? Let's have a look at the main page. Technically it's nothing there, so we go back to the admin side, Appearance, Astra Sites. Then I'm going to choose, in this case, Elementor, because that's what we're going to use. Of course, if you go Beaver Builder, of course you can use it. But me, I'm going to use Elementor. You know me, that I like to use Element. It's free as nice. Of course, you can have the pro version, but in this case, I'm going to use the free version. Everything you see here is free. All right. Now I'm going to choose e-commerce. These ones here are agency. That means you got to pay for the license for them. Okay, and it's not cheap, the agency license. But we're going for this model here. Okay, this template. So I'm going to press detail and preview. There we go. Now, once this is done, as you can see here, I can install plugins just in case they're not installed, or if they're installed, it will ask you to activate it. I already got WooCommerce installed, but not activated, and also Elementor. So I'm going to activate both of them. And this one here, it says import sites. Now, the import will take a little bit, well, it depends your server. This one, because it's on local, it's going to take a little bit, quite a long time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause while it's doing it. Press OK, and I'll be back in a second. So the installation has been done. Now once it's done, all you got to do is just press Done View Site. And your website should be up and running. Now at this stage, it's not 100% working. I mean, ready to be used live. Now it's going to take a little bit of time. Don't forget, this is a local host. But here we go, as you can see it. Ready to use website. E-commerce using WooCommerce. Let me show you how it works on the product. I'm going to click on the product. I'm going to add to cart. I'm going to view the cart. And as you can see, perfectly working. I can go and proceed to checkout. Now at the moment, there is no banking details or gateway details. I'm going to show you as well how to implement that one, and I'm going to implement the PayPal. That is the easiest one. Okay, let's go back. So we've done the main part. I'm going to refresh this page again. I could just click on dashboard, but now going to WooCommerce, I'm going to setting. Here you actually put all your information about your business. The currency you're going to use, again, I am in United Kingdom, so I'm going to leave it as pound sterling. I'm going to the next tab. Shop page is store. Again, you can actually choose which page do you want to use as a shop page. In this case, for me, it will be store. That is automatically done anyway. You don't have to do anything, all right? The measurement, kilograms and centimeters. Again, you choose whatever you want. Okay. Now, the inventory you can actually download, and you can use downloadable products. Again, this has to, you can use it for many other things, right? But again, we're using dropshipping, so we go to the next one. Here you can actually add the shipping zone if you want to ship worldwide. Okay. I'm gonna click add shipping zone. Now don't forget, before you do this, you need to know exactly which company you're gonna use. Now, and there are a lot of videos you can actually look on YouTube who actually go in details in drop shipping, but a lot of company does sell products with the shipping includes, free shipping. So here you can actually create a free shipping, for example. Or you can use, for example, well, you can do it per country, but in this case you can do one that will suit any product anywhere in the world. Or exactly what you can actually do as well, you can actually limit to which country you're going to sell. All right. So let's say worldwide. Oh, actually, let's go. I'm going to leave it as it is here because I don't know. Otherwise, he wants which part of it. Let's just do United Kingdom. Make it easy. All right. So I'm going to say United Kingdom, and I'm going to do free shipping, and then I'm going to click it. There we go. All right. So once I do that, I go to the checkout. Okay, it's not being saved. Why is it not being saved? All right, let's save this one here. So let's go to checkout. Everything looks okay. I'm going to choose PayPal. I'm going to enable the PayPal standard. And I'm going to add my email for the PayPal. Make sure that's the correct email, all right? I'm going to save the changes. Okay. Accounts. And all the rest looks okay. Perfect. Now, the actual website comes already with that template with a certain amount of products. So let's go to products so you can actually see it. So it's preloaded with some products. Of course, you're not going to use this kind of products. So you can actually delete all of it if you wanted to, right? By select all and move to trash and apply, right? For now, I'm going to leave it as it is. Now, what about once you find the actual company that is going to collaborate with you with the drop shipping? Now, as you can see here, we're talking about fashion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to add a specific item manually, because of course you want to make some money, don't you? So let's say shoes for men. Select this one here. All right, so we have different type of colors. We have all the price, all the information is here. Okay, so once you have an agreement with this company, right, some of them will give you a CVS file where you can actually bulk import all the products. Okay, by pressing import, you can actually import all the prices, all the stocks and everything. But there is also an easy way to do it that I'm going to show you in just a moment. Let's have a look at the import. Come on. Oops. Now this is one you have a local host running on a totally different machine as well. So sorry about this. Right, it looks like it doesn't like the import. But anyway, I'm going to do a manual, as I said. I'm going to click on Add New. Now, all you have to do here, all right, is to add all the information of the product you want to sell manually. Okay, let's say I'm going to choose this one here. As you can see, it's a very long title, so you want to, scale it down a little bit. So I'm going to put this one here. I'm going to choose shoes, right? On the description, I'm going to add a small description. Let's see if I can find any descriptions here. There is not much of a description, but so what I'm going to do is just this is all photographs, so it looks like I just chosen a wrong product. There is not much information here to add. You do find sometimes this kind of issues, but again, you can actually add any description. So let's say just description here. Actually, it's not a virtual or downloadable. So let's have get some information here. So US dollar. So let's say is 23.41 dollars. Regular price. So logically, the regular price and the sale price if is a reason one. So this is what they sell it for. Of course, you want to make money. I know this is dollars, so I'm going to sell it for $29.99. All right. I'm going to choose simple product inventory if there is any. If we don't manage the stock because we just buy it as we need it. SKU, we can use their own. I presume they have an SKU somewhere. And this is the reason why I'm going to show you later on as well. I think this is the actual code up there, but let's use this one here for now. An easy way to do it. All right. So the shipping class here, I'm going to leave it as it is as well. So they're going to pay the flat fee. That is the delivery inclusive. No attributes at the moment. No advanced. Now, this is short description. Then I'm going to upload the product image. All right. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to copy the image address, upload file, select files, and the image, as you can see, is being downloaded. Of course, it's a big file. It's not a single one like this one on the top. There we go here. All right. I mean, I could copy image address. Let's have a look at this one here in this way. Let's remove that a second. Okay. Let me remove this one here. So I'm going to set the product image. All right. And you can do exactly the same thing with the gallery. All right. So once I finish, I'm going to publish. Once it's been published, I'm going back to the main page. Now I actually put on both categories shoes. So I'm going to click shoes. And there we go. We got, I know it doesn't look right because it's a small image. But as you can see, it's there and ready to be used. All right. Now let me show you an easy way. Now there is a free plugin. So if I go to plugin, install the plugin, and should be somewhere here. All right, no, it's not. So let's install this plugin. I thought I already had it. So if I go to and search for AliExpress, there is a very nice handy free plugin. It's called Affiliate Importer AL. I'm going to install it and I'm going to activate it. There are many of them. This is there are both versions. This is a free and also this is a pro version. We are going to use the free version. So I'm going to activate it. I'm going to remove that for now. Now the first thing you're going to do is add the API key and the tracking ID from AliExpress. Okay. Now let's have a look at the end if this says anything here. If not, let's open another tab. Right, and I think this is where you're going to join and open an account where you can actually have a API key. I already have one, so I'm going to close this one here and I'm going to add the API key, and I'll be back in a second. All right, so once it's been done, here we go. So once it's been done, let me show you how easy it is to add a product into WooCommerce. I'm going to click on add product. I'm going to click on high quality items only. All right. I'm going to choose which category I want. In this case, it's going to be shoes. All right. And I'm going to type shoes. Now I can choose from to the amount of money, how many orders within the 30 days. So if you want something that's been ordered more than once, say for example we do 30, that will add to the quality, you know, and also the score. At the moment I'm going to leave the 0 to 0. All right, otherwise we'll have a problem with the amount of items. I'm going to press search. And as you can see here, we already have a lot of items. Now you can actually add all the items you can see here by clicking on the top here and do bulk action to post to WooCommerce. You can post it as a publish or draft. Now the way I would do it, it will use draft first because you want to correct, you want to go through the prices and everything. I would never add hundreds of, you know, of items or products, otherwise it will be really difficult to manage. You know, I will do one by one or maybe 2 or 3 products at a time. All right, that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to unclick this one here, so you can actually see the source price, the posted price, the commission is 163. Again, if you're an affiliate, or in this case it's drop shipping, so this will not apply to you, the commission. So what's going to happen is you're going to sell it and then you're going to buy it from the people on AliExpress. Okay, so most of this stuff is not valid for you, except the price. Of course, you want to put a little bit on the top to make money. All right. So I'm going to choose a pair of shoes that I like. let's go back and filter. Say I want to search for man shoes. See if it comes up. No, I didn't put anything here, so but we'll leave it like that. There we go. So most stuff here, this is the one, if you remember properly, that we added manually. All right. Now let me show you. If I go to WooCommerce products, all right, and I'm going to delete that product because I want to make sure that it's not there. So I'm going to trash that one. I'm going to leave it like this. There we go. And once you know all this, I'm going to post to WooCommerce. Right? And what it's doing is getting all the information from AliExpress and load it inside WooCommerce products. So that was done. Right? As you can see, it's been posted. But as you can see, now this one here, don't know if it's draft. It looks like it's live, right? And the SKU, as you can see as well, was that number that I took on the top. It will automatically add it, okay? So I'm going to edit it because, of course, you don't want all this. Again, it's up to you. If you want that big, that's not a problem, all right? So let's remove that for now. And I'm going to add the other category as well. All the information is here. All right. As you can see it. So everything is there, as you can see it. All right. I'm going to update and I'm going to show you how it looks like inside the main website. So I'm going to press shoes. There we go. As you can see now, the image is much better. Okay. Here are all the information. All right. And you can buy the product. And it goes automatically here. If this was, of course, like I said, affiliate. But this is not affiliate, and this is the reason why, you know. But to what you can actually do, if I go to the bottom, as you can see, product URL, because it's an affiliate, I'm going to change to single product. And this is the actual product price that we have here, okay? Even though it's adding your profit, all right? As you can see, it's $23.31 per pair. So you can leave a 31 if you want at the sale price of 15. So that's what you get it actually. And it's a $44 exactly. That's with the saving. Now it's up to you, right? You can actually say, forget about this. This is what I want to make. I'm up with that. And once you are up with it and you update, I'm going to open the store here. I'm waiting until this has been saved. Here we go, back here. Shoes. Back on this one here. And now, as you can see, it looks a little bit different. It's not an affiliate anymore. So you add to cart. I'm going to have a look inside the cart. Of course, this is one we used earlier on. I'm going to remove it. Free shipping. All right. Going to proceed, checkout. That means the price is included the shipping. And as you can see, it's PayPal. Once they put all the information, proceed to PayPal. Of course, you have to put all the information here. All right. let's do it. Tim, Tom, London, NW1. We just playing around, really. It's not the real thing. Proceed to, well, it doesn't like that right now. So to RT, I think it was one night. It's quite intelligent, this one. It actually looks your postcode. So one has been done. It should send you to PayPal. And they can pay with the PayPal account, or they can pay with the credit card. They will be presented with a, to pay with the credit card, right? But if they got an account, just they log in and they'll pay. And once everything's finished, they will return to your website. Hopefully that made sense to you guys. And I might do a little bit more in details, the WooCommerce and the dropshipping type of businesses. Hope you enjoy the tutorial, and I'll see you next time.